on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. The stock lies in the lower part of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $2.35 is broken, it will firstly indicate a slower rate of rising, but may also be an early warning for a trend shift. Given the current short-term trend, the stock is expected to rise 34.46% during the next 3 months and, with a 90% probability, hold a price between $3.15 and $7.98 at the end of this 3-month period. Signals and forecast: the Immutep Limited stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the stock, giving a positive forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $3.06. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the long-term average at approximately $2.44. A breakup through the short-term average will send a buy signal, whereas a breakdown through the long-term average will send a sell signal. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3 months moving average convergence divergence (MACD). Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, December 10, 2020, and so far it has fallen -48.33%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Support, risk and stop-loss: Immutep Limited finds support from accumulated volume at $2.90, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. $2.90, $2.94, $2.99. The stock may move very much during a day volatility and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. This stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved 13 cents between high and low, or 4.51%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 5.38%. Our recommended stop loss, $2.78 -5.38%. The stock has very high daily movements and this gives very high risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 10 days ago. Is Immutep Limited stock a buy? Several short-term signals, along with a general good trend, are positive, and we conclude that the current level may hold a buying opportunity as there is a fair chance for Immutep Limited stock to perform well in the short term. Current score, 1.189. The general sentiment holds a neutral evaluation of the stock right now. The sentiment is based upon 43 votes on stock tweets. Predicted opening price for Immutep Limited of Monday, December 28, 2020. The predicted opening price is based on yesterday's movements between high, low, and the closing price. Fair opening price December 28, 2020. Current price $2.94 on December 14, 2020. Maxim Group gave rating for IMMP. The price target was set to $4-8.